Okay, so we have a long wheelbase Transit Connect, full service history, all the stamps in the book, one owner. Got 2 keys, spare key and a remote. Got air conditioning, front and rear parking sensors. You've got even a condensed air circulator up there, which stops any moisture building up. There you go. All panelled out. Nice flooring as well. Nice seating. You've got the 3 seats at the front. That folds back up, and then you've got an extra seat. That was the spare. We've just done an inspection on it, and I thought the spare's brand new. We'll give that a bit of a wash and a clean up. But the car's not bad. We've just got to do a service on it, which that'll be done. If not this week, it'll be done early part of next week. And we'll do a full inspection on a sheet. It's a nice car, nice van, ready to go, almost ready to go. There you go. Sun's a bit low. Colour coded bumpers as well, which is nice. And it's a very clean vehicle. Not a lot of wear on the seats. Let's put that seat up. Oh no, I'd have to pull the lever. There you go, 6-speed. Parking sensors all there. Nice radio. Average sort of miles for the year. So it's a 10-year-old vehicle. And you've got cruise control on there as well. Really nice vans, these Connects. And this is the 1.6, which is the more reliable one. You get a lot less problems with this older 1.6 van. And they are, well, they're a nice van. There you go. If you need anything else, just give us a call and I'll run you through it. Cheers. Thank you.